a comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency trading on bitvovo.com. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and exploring one of the most popular platforms out there, bitvovo.com. In this comprehensive review, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about Bitvovo, from its features and fees to security measures and user experience. So, buckle up as we embark on this thrilling journey into the realm of digital assets. What is Bitvovo? To kick things off, let's start with the basics. Bitvovo is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows traders to buy, sell, and exchange various digital assets. Founded in year, it has rapidly gained popularity for its simple yet powerful interface and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Key features and functionality. Bitvovo boasts a range of features designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders. We'll explore its user interface, supported cryptocurrencies, trading options, spot and margin, and more. Additionally, we'll highlight any unique features that set Bitvovo apart from other exchanges. Signing up and verification process. Joining Bitvovo is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the verification steps required to comply with regulations. We'll walk you through the registration process, KYC, Know Your Customer, verification, and deposit methods available. Security measures. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies, and Bitvovo takes it seriously. We'll delve into the platform's security measures, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage solutions, and encryption protocols to ensure your funds remain safe. Trading fees and costs. Every exchange charges fees for trading, and Bitvovo is no exception. We'll analyze its fee structure, including trading fees, deposit and withdrawal fees, and any hidden costs to help you understand how these fees may impact your trading strategies. User experience and interface. Bitvovo prides itself on providing a user-friendly experience. We'll take a closer look at its interface, charting tools, order types, and overall usability. A smooth and intuitive user interface can significantly impact your trading journey, so we'll evaluate how Bitvovo performs in this aspect. Mobile app. With many traders constantly on the move, a reliable mobile app is essential. We'll assess Bitvovo's mobile application, exploring its features, user interface, and functionality to ensure you can trade efficiently while on the go. Customer support. In times of need, excellent customer support can make all the difference. We'll examine Bitvovo's customer support channels, response times, and the availability of resources like FAQs and tutorials to aid users in their trading endeavors. Pros and cons. No platform is perfect, and Bitvovo is no exception. We'll present a balanced view by discussing the advantages and drawbacks of using this exchange, allowing you to make an informed decision based on your individual needs and preferences. Conclusion. As our journey through bitvovo.com comes to an end, we hope this comprehensive review has shed light on what this popular cryptocurrency exchange has to offer. Remember, choosing the right platform is essential for a successful trading experience, so weigh the information we've provided carefully. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, Bitvovo might be the platform that takes your trading to the next level. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and happy trading. Disclaimer: the information presented in this article is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions. Cryptocurrency trading involves significant risks, and past performance does not guarantee future results.